This guy left us a little present. I wonder what this thing is. Yay! It's the Revel Tank from S&B. Let's open her up. And see how she looks like. Ooh, look at that. All right, so here's the tank. This is the extra box with hardware, I'm guessing. All right, that's where our instructions are going to be, our extra hardware. Construction looks really nice. That's the inside of the tank there. This looks like a vent line. And this looks like the pickup line. So there you go, 1 and 2. And here we have our 2 extra support points. They feel nice and sturdy. All right, so that's what we have. And this bad boy is going to go on Heftie over there.